Okay, this is the start of our World Trade Center tour. This is where the MTA and the PATH trains drop you off. This is a creature that's supposed to look like a bird a little bit. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. And there's some old steel from the building, and you sit there and have lunch. So a park-like structure, and they put some cool graffiti behind it. Let's take a better look at the facility here. You see, this is all steel. Actually, it's not steel, it's wood, but that's okay. Looks like steel. This is some of the graffiti they have. Welcome to the World Trade Center. There's some outdoor storage there, I guess, also. Interesting. All right, we're going to take a quick look at Oculus, see if we can get inside. This is supposed to look like a bird, and it's really the transportation hub at the World Trade Center. So let's see what we got going on here. Supposed to be good food, good eating inside, good lighting. We'll go in the main door if we can find it.
What is it now?
Supposedly, there's the arts building, the performing arts building, which I think is a really cool looking building, by the way. Different. No windows, all. Let's go in here and see what's going on. This is the shops at Oculus. Alrighty, we're in Oculus now. So this is what Oculus looks like. Remember I told you that these skylights in the ceiling on 9/11, if the sun's out, it lights the whole place up brighter than ever. This is what Oculus looks like. It's a terminal for PATH trains and for subway trains.
Yep.
Right at the World Trade Center. That's an impressive view, if you ask me.
It's a mall.
Oculus. See these skylights? These skylights on 9/11 are in direct alignment with the sun, the angle of the sun at that time of year, and this place lights up brighter than ever. This is really supposed to be sort of the inside of a bird. We're in the body of the bird with the wings outside. An appropriate memorial to 9/11. It's where the PATH trains come and where the subways trains come. It's a beautiful, beautiful station. And allegedly, there's lots of restaurants down here, which we're going to check out right now. Going down to the floor where they're supposed to... Wow, there's another floor below this. Look at that. I see stores and shops down there. How cool is that? The number 1 train, the RT. There it is right there, going by. One train's going south. Oh, there's stores here too. Sorry. Okay. We're on the second floor now of this. It's really looks like a shopping mall. This is Baizion, a clothing store of some sort. This is Pop Mart. Don't know what they sell there. Pop, probably. Rebag. Cole Haan. A lot of designers here. Kate Spade, bags, and I guess everything else. Designer clothes. And the mall goes even further that way. Wow. This takes you underground to 2 and 3 World Trade Center, St. Nicholas Shrine, the #1 subway, shops and dining, Italy, probably an Italian restaurant. Let's go down here and see what we see. Caldania, Moldshine, Pizza. That's a watch company, I think. La Maison de Chocolat. Bet that's chocolate they sell over there. Roll of soap. Swatch. The #1 train. It goes south, so I don't want the #1 train. I want the #2 train.
Have you explored the Oculus at all yet?
Pretty Well Beauty. A beauty supply store. L'Octane. El Provence. Don't know what it is. I'm actually looking for food. I'm tad hungry at this point. So these are marble floors, marble walls. An optical store, iWorld Opticals, Golden Bar. Sports store, Ethan Jordan Jewelers, Pasta and Go. Oh, they give you little packs of quick pasta. Dunkin' Donuts. How about that? Dunkin' Donuts. This creature is called Oculus. It's supposed to be like a bird. I don't know if it looks like a bird. Those are the wings, I guess, and feathers. But it's called Oculus.
A1 new project. When 7 is finished, the last one. Lean but 7. Take it off.